Cash App mysteries, verified or not verified, that is the question. Ever sent a payment on Cash App only to be met with a frustrating message about needing to verify your account? Maybe you're new to the app and the whole verification process seems shrouded in mystery. Fear not, fellow Cash App user, because today we're cracking the code on verification and making sure your transactions flow smoothly. So, how do you know if your Cash App account is verified? Hold tight, because the answer depends on what kind of verification you're curious about. Cash App offers two main types, account verification and identity verification. Account verification, the basic stuff. Think of account verification as the Cash App 101. It's a lightweight process that ensures you're a real person, not a mischievous bot trying to game the system. Here's what you need to do. Name, date of birth, and address. Cash App will ask for your full name, date of birth, and residential address to verify you're a legitimate user. This basic info helps prevent fraud and keeps your account secure. Why verify your account? While it might seem like a hurdle, account verification unlocks a whole new level of Cash App functionality. You'll be able to send and receive larger amounts of money, enjoy the security of two-factor authentication, and even invest in Bitcoin. Identity verification, taking it up a notch. This is where things get a bit more serious. Identity verification involves submitting additional documents to prove who you are. Cash App might request last 4 digits of your SSN. This helps verify your identity against official records. Government-issued photo ID, think driver's license, passport, or state ID. Having a photo ID adds another layer of security and allows Cash App to match your face to the information you provided. Why go through identity verification? While not mandatory for basic transactions, identity verification comes with some serious perks. Increased sending and receiving limits. Verified accounts enjoy much higher limits on how much money they can send and receive. Unlocking features, think buying and selling Bitcoin, using Cash App for direct deposits, or even getting a cash card. Identity verification opens the door to all the cool stuff Cash App has to offer. How to check your verification status. Now that you know the different types of verification, here's how to see where you stand. Open the Cash App, fire up the app, and get ready to conquer verification. Tap your profile picture, it's usually in the top right corner, waiting for your investigative click. Security and privacy. Dive into this section to find the treasure trove of verification info. Identity verification. This is where the magic happens. See a glorious verified message? Congratulations, you're good to go. If it says anything else, don't fret. The app will guide you through the verification process. Bonus tip, speedy verification is key. Cash App usually takes 48 hours to process your verification, but sometimes it can take longer. Here's how to streamline the process. Make sure your info matches. Double-check that all the information you provide matches your government ID exactly. Typos can cause delays. Clear photo is king or queen when submitting a photo ID. Make sure the picture is clear and well lit. No blurry mysteries here. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Cash Apping.